All right, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. Right now, we're gonna go ahead and meet up with some SR members and basically see where the night takes us. But with that being said, we'll go ahead and meet up with them. I think they're the two cars right now that I just pulled in. They're over there actually, right by the fireworks. So you guys can go ahead and see. So we got a little bit of a FTB right here going on, and a little bit of bites here just to keep me awake a little bit. Get that little sugar going on. Straight up feels like Fast and Furious right now, thanks to that Subi over there with the lights. Yeah, I know, dude, that was loud. I didn't think it was gonna be that loud, honestly. Right lane for sure, definitely.
It's telling you to go more to this way. It's telling you more to go this way, but you're fine.
Well, I used to have a line. They marked it. They marked it fucking years ago. But there's a bolt just like that.
Ooh. Oh shit! Fucking caught my ass.
And straight like he spun too. He actually got big though. He left pretty decent. Nobody knows where the ending's at, so.
Oh, okay.
He spun too.
Yeah, he spins a lot. He spins a lot.
With some slicks in that thing.
I know, right?
What did they shoot? What did they radios on?
So honestly don't know who won or not on those races. Honestly, can't see anything on my windshield, so I just kind of kept going. Top end obviously kicks in very, very well at the end, but I honestly don't know, so. Damn. What? Oh, this one. Fuck that, I ain't gonna see that shit. I ain't gonna see that shit.
What's that TRON Camaro?
Oh yeah.
Well, we knew that was gonna happen. So.
I really had hope. So meanwhile, they're getting over here all ready. Looks like I took the first one. That's what they're saying. Honestly, again, I don't know. I don't even know where it ended. But so they said I took the first one. They said the second one he got me. So I'm just gonna take their word for it, honestly, win or lose. Just came out here to test it. That was actually my first digs. So Feel free to make fun of me if you want. Left lane, Simon getting the dub. All right, guys. So I know it's a really short video. Hope you guys enjoyed that. First dig racing ever. So if you guys actually have some actual real tips and not trash talk, go ahead and let me know down below. I know I have a lot to learn, and I look forward to learning more. But without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next one. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out, and go ahead and like this video if you enjoyed it.